Would you call a gardener with a tiny shovel to dig the foundation of your house? I mean, it can work if you have time, money, patience, and the gardener has a lot of spare shovels, because it's very likely that many of them will break during the process. A foundation excavation contractor, on the other hand, would be a better fit. The same is true for your software as a service. Most likely you will use some third-party services to make your development faster and your life easier. But be aware that not every payment provider, every CRM or issue tracker will be the right fit for your needs. There are certain things to consider, but to start, I have the 4 most important based on our experience, besides the functionality, of course. So first, how deeply do you need to integrate the third-party service? Is it completely separate from the code you develop, or do you need to integrate it? If you need to integrate it, do they provide an API, and does the API fulfill your integration requirements? Also, have a look at the documentation. Is it well documented? Maybe there's even some examples you can look at. This might save you a lot of stress, work, and reverse engineering time. Second, does your SaaS do some magical and essential things with the third-party service that need to be tested before you make them available to your users? If yes, make sure that the service provides a development environment where you can test your code with all possible edge cases. Most likely, you don't want to try this with your real customers in a live scenario, right? Third, are you the only one using this service? Most likely not, but look at the community around this service. It might come in handy at some point. Also, see if you can find questions and answers online. That could be a good indicator whether or not there's an active community. And my 4th and last tip, how good is the support? At some point, questions may arise that cannot be answered by the community. So does the third-party service offer a forum, 24-hour support, or a chat? Everything you need or expect from this service should be covered. So, again, you may be able to build the foundation of your house with a gardener using a tiny shovel, but the foundation excavation contractor might be a much better fit. So choose your third-party services wisely. I hope I could help you with these 4 tips, and if you have any other questions about this topic, let us know. We are happy to help. And if you want more info about creating your own SaaS, subscribe to our newsletter, read our blog, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. In the meantime, have fun creating.